Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, confirm your iPhone supports Apple Pay and update to the latest iOS so security features work. Make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID and you've enabled Face ID or Touch ID for payments. Once those prerequisites are ready, open the Wallet app and tap the plus button to add a card. You'll either scan the physical card or enter details by hand. Do it carefully so the bank verification step has correct information. Once you've added card details, complete the bank's verification. You may get a text code, email link, or need to confirm inside your bank app. Make sure to follow that step right away. Verification activates the card. Next, set your preferred default card and wallet and enable Express Transit for public transport if you want instant taps. Also check Wallet and Apple Pay settings. Enable double-click side or home button for quick access and confirm Face ID or Touch ID is set to authorize payments. Now finalize by making a small contactless purchase. Hold your iPhone near the terminal, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and wait for the check mark. This confirms everything works. If a transaction fails, restart your phone and try again. If it still won't authorize, remove the card and add it again, and verify your Apple ID region and bank support Apple Pay. For persistent issues, contact your bank to confirm there are no blocks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.